In a pond so green and bright lived a frog who loved to fight. But instead of punches, kicks, and blows, he'd wrestle lily pads, you know. With a leap and a hop, he'd splash, making all the tadpoles dash. But when the day would turn to night, he'd croak a tune sweet and light. Underneath the moon's soft glow, he'd sing his song, soft and low. Ribbit, ribbit, clear and strong all night, he'd sing along. With a leap and a hop, he'd splash, making all the tadpoles dash. But when the day would turn to night, he'd croak a tune sweet and light. So if you're ever near the pond, listen closely to the frog song. It's a melody you won't forget, a silly tune you'll want to get.
In a pond so green and bright lived a frog who loved to fight. But instead of punches, kicks, and blows, he'd wrestle lily pads, you know. With a leap and a hop, he'd splash, making all the tadpoles dash. But when the day would turn to night, he'd croak a tune sweet and light. Underneath the moon's soft glow, he'd sing his song, soft and low. Ribbit, ribbit, clear and strong all night, he'd sing along. With a leap and a hop, he'd splash, making all the tadpoles dash. But when the day would turn to night, he'd croak a tune sweet and light. So if you're ever near the pond, listen closely to the frog song. It's a melody you won't forget.